Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Buick Envision Premium Group all-wheel drive, number X390XX. Only 15,000 miles in this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper. And Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Rear outboard seats are also heated. It's a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all help to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split rear seat. Fold flat with the pull of a handle. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, height adjustable power liftgate, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof, heads-up display, keep your eyes on the road, large easy-to-read gauges, again only 15,000 miles. That's also where you set the forward collision alert along with cruise control. Heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. Separate rear heat and air controls. And this is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone front climate with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box to the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 252 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles per gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Envision, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.